Have you ever felt like you're constantly running on a hamster wheel, never really getting anywhere? Time keeps moving forward, but you feel left behind? If so, you're not alone. In this video, we'll learn the art of mastering time and breaking free from that hamster wheel. Before we dive into the tips and tricks, let's first understand what time management is. Imagine time as a flowing river. If we don't direct its flow, we'll be swept away by the current without any control. Time management is planning and controlling how you steer the flow of this river of time to achieve your goals. Why is time management important? By managing your time well, you can increase productivity, reduce stress, achieve personal and professional goals, have more time for activities you enjoy. Effective time management also allows you to balance work and personal life like a captain calmly steering their ship through a storm. Before we get into time management tips, we need to understand the biggest enemies of time management: procrastination and demotivation. Procrastination is like dropping an anchor on your ship in the ocean, preventing you from moving forward. To give a clearer picture, let's look at some common reasons why people often procrastinate and lack discipline. Fear of failure. The fear that they might not succeed in a task or project can lead people to avoid starting it altogether. Lack of motivation. If someone has no interest in or sees no immediate benefit from a task, they're likely to put it off. Overwhelm or task too big. A large and complex task can make someone feel overwhelmed, causing them to procrastinate because they don't know where to start. Lack of time management skills. Without good time management skills, someone might struggle to organize their tasks and end up procrastinating. Perfectionism. Perfectionists often procrastinate because they're waiting for the perfect time or feel that they're not ready to produce flawless work. External distractions. The presence of distractions like social media, noisy environments, or other disturbances can easily divert someone's attention. Let's see some concrete examples from daily life. Imagine you're a student with an essay due next week. Instead of starting to write, you choose to scroll through social media, watch videos, or even clean your room to avoid the task. Or you're an office worker with a tight project deadline. But instead of starting work, you chat with colleagues, make coffee, or do non-urgent tasks. Or you're a homemaker. At home, you might procrastinate on chores like washing dishes or cleaning, thinking, "I'll do it later," and the tasks pile up. Here are some tips to help you manage your time better and tackle procrastination. Prioritize your tasks. Start by making a daily or weekly task list, and prioritize based on urgency and importance. Think of it like mapping out a route to navigate the river of time more effectively. Use the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. It helps maintain focus and prevents burnout, similar to a runner pacing in intervals to sustain stamina. Eliminate distractions. Turn off notifications on your phone and computer while working to avoid unnecessary interruptions. It's like closing the door to keep the wind from disrupting your focus. Delegate tasks. If possible, delegate tasks that others can handle so you can focus on more important matters. It's like sharing the load with your team to reach goals faster. Use time management tools. Utilize apps or tools like digital calendars, to-do lists, or planners to schedule and remember important tasks. Think of them as compasses guiding you on your time journey. Set clear, specific goals to give direction and motivation. Breaking large tasks into smaller, manageable parts can help reduce overwhelm. And don't forget to include breaks to avoid fatigue and maintain productivity throughout the day. Procrastination is a big enemy of effective time management. To overcome it, try breaking tasks into smaller parts, setting time limits for each task, and rewarding yourself after completion. For example, if you have to write a report, start by outlining it first, then fill in each section one by one. Set a timer like 30 minutes for each section, and after finishing, give yourself a short break as a reward. It's like climbing a mountain, taking one small step at a time until you reach the summit. Maintaining a balance between work and personal life is also crucial. Make sure you have time to relax and do things you enjoy. It's like recharging your batteries to stay energized and productive. Effective time management can be the key to a more organized and productive life. Remember, every second is an opportunity to make progress towards your goals. So, start now, make a plan, set priorities, and live life more purposefully. Good luck, and may success always be with you. If you found this narrative helpful, don't hesitate to like, comment, share, and subscribe so more people can benefit from it. Thanks for listening, and see you in the next video.